What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode of Let's Chat About It. I go by the name The Real Match and I'm here with
Mr. Let's get one more ngazonga zorengezwa ngendaba.
Yes,
With another installment. He say, let's chat about it.
Let's chat about it. Okay, let me start with my chat.
What's on your chat?
What's on my chat? It might sound random or what, but I want us to talk about Abu Mashonisa.
Loan sharks.
Like, do you think Abu Mashonisa ekasi balithuthukisa ikasi or basibuyisele emuva?
In terms of Panama loan.
Yeah, because I know a lot of friends that use Abu Mashonisa. Like ilife yabo ayina progress. It's like ngathi basebenzela ukubhadala Abu Mashonisa. Like whenever it's payday, babhadala umashonisa baphinde baboleka imali futhi. And I heard also ukuthi Abu Mashonisa abanye basipanisa umuthi for you to keep on coming back to them.
That's true.
So that's why I'm asking, do you think Abu Mashonisa balithuthukisa ikasi or basibuyisele emuva?
First thing first, what I would like to say, there's good debt and bad debt. Most young mashonisa umele bene reason, bene nhloso, bene vision ukuthi okay uyoboleka le mali, what's the motive uzokwenza 1 2 3. Most young mashonisa uboleka imali for utshwala.
Okay, yeah.
Make any sense.
You won't see growth, yeah.
You won't see growth, but if ufuna ukuya phambili ngomashonisa, but I don't think you should go to mashonisa. You rather go to a bank than ukuya kumashonisa. Uyazi ukuthi uboleka leyo mali ucover 1 2 3. Ngiboleka imali ngenza ama room.
Sure, yeah.
I get that money back ngani.
Ukuqashisa abantu ama-tenant. Yeah.
Sometimes young mashonisa, sometimes mashonisa they can give you 10k. Let's say no, when you're an artist or young mashonisa, you borrow that 10k or buy equipment, shy podcasting or buy studio equipment. Record abantu ngemali. Yeah, but I don't think we sell about to move unless was Spanish in Quindal. If was Spanish came, that's wrong, I'm told. Because my sister is a labon.
Because I've seen it a lot. Ngamachi taspanayo. Like in the Spanila by bone.
In most cases of mashonisa was savings.
Most cases of mashonisa was savings, but banai
man, what doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense.
That's what I've noticed with amount ayaspana, but soon as baya kubo mashonisa like abayiboni into abaspanela. So
sometimes they are bad friends. Fethu uhleli la uzirelaxele awucabangi next ufika umngane azok influence fethu nguthi wona akaholi mina ngikholile nge15 asifase soboleka imali in isiphuzo nalo yajutheka soboleka imali kumashonisa uyaphuza. That's bad debt ngithola. So you phuza uboleka imali cabanga uboleka 500 uyoboleka ama case sometimes khona amashonisa abasema tavern umuntu athi ukhenza ugaba ngutshwalo ngifunayo lo ngizongibhadala amaholo so nesikoloto sama case ayi12.
Okay, ngithola facts awusaboni ukuthi usipanelani
awusaboni usipanela ubuyele emuva. And another thing, I think ispan i925 I think yiyo a program abantu ukuthi bangabi nangqondo or babe seyikolotweni because at the end of the day ungaspani unazikoloto awuna next ngithola but you to span nje so ngene ikoloto yena umashonisa left and right.
And also speaking of E925 I heard a lot of people saying E925 kills people's dreams.
Slavery.
Like you focus on the work, you can't. But there's other jobs where you don't own off.
Yeah,
there's other jobs where you just off one day. So a lot of people been saying, "What's in 925? Okay, you get the money, it helps endlini, but ibulala amaphupho. Awuna skhathi ukuphesiwa amaphupho akho, repassion yakho. Mangabe uyi content creator ukwazi ukushuta, mangabe udlala ibhola ukwazi ukuyojima because of 925. So do you think 925 vele iyas oppress? If that's the word, oppressor.
It doesn't really oppress because unless you are doing 9 to 5, you're funding your goals.
Okay, because you can't do it broke.
Yeah, fund your dreams, fund your goals. Then it's not a bad thing 9 to 5. As long as you goal, vision, 9 to 5 is not bad. Same as the mashonist. Mashonist is not a bad thing. If we are mashonist, with the fit, guy, so 50k. 50 gorillas yabona ukuthi wena
yeah
bayisikoro nyana ushaye Uber nyana ushaye Bolt bamnani uyangithola kumele ube nengqondo when it comes
to ube negoal
but bakhenya ngani bese kulanda esipanini ke bazokubhekisela
okay
don't you know uholile now la 5-2 ikanto ngeke okaka budget no budget
then is it the same thing as uboleki imali kumuntu mawuboleki imali kumuntu let's say bakuthumile igrocer or in lo muntu akubone ubamba ama plastic then it's now like hey uyankolota
mhlathu bawuphethe ngegrocer uthunyiwe
uyankolota but yaphuza.
And sometimes there's those loan sharks aba violent mfethu bayifuna imali ngempama uzogcina soyikhokha noba ungafuna ukumbhatala sometimes uyabona ukuthi lenja le angisabi kanti violent
okay
izokulayitela afike akushaya ngempama nayo yabona that's a bad thing. There's a good debt and a bad debt.
This is what it is.
It is what it is.
Then what's on your chat?
On my chat I'll say I've been thinking about this the whole day. Been thinking about it all day. Lento le, if you are a guy, you are renting your own space, I'm told. Uhlala somewhere, then you get in a relationship with yola nomuntu, girl. Then girl decides you guys, since ngama partner, ukuthi ahlale nendaweni eyiwa. Bese ugela influencer wena, athi wena phuma lapho renta khona, ozophuma bese wena uSmart Makoti angithola. That's my chat. So Smart Makoti sohlala endlini yemedi angithola imedi no sekudonsa ngekhaya.
Yeah. So usebenzela bona because I know a lot of guys also abahlala kabo medi.
Yeah,
mawuthenga igrocer ubathengela bonke kabo medi. Whatever you do it for kabo medi awusazenzeli wena.
Imagine let's say now you are renovating kobe medi loku busy. Ushaya ibonda ushaya uyangithola shama building cover building wardrobe uyayenza yonke into baya thoto buyela medical leseyancane angithola uyibuyela icar. Do you know that a woman what she will do? Obvious you don't own the shit angithola. Uzothi mekayithatha or sakakuchithela sakabona ngathi uyibhari ini so usuphelelwe isibani lese uphelelwe isibani. Do you think intombazane izokutreat fair?
Nah.
Ngeke.
Yabo. Speaking on that, abantu abaningi bahlezi ba complain ukuthi when let's say you staying with a girl mhlala nonke uyasebenza things are going well. Whenever umsebenzi uphela kuphela ama feelings like you get disrespected ugirl akasakuboni ngathi uyambhora ngathi uyisidina but the time you were working you were the love of her life but now that things are not going well so we are stressed. That's how it becomes toxic. So the relationship becomes toxic because it's like so that relationship did she love you because of who you are or she loved you because of what you can provide?
Like we said,
in the first place, let's say in the first place.
Like I would say, most of my relationship, I'm told, a foundation now you provide, I'm told. A foundation of any relationship, you must know how to provide. No one appeal like span, fe tu zamu pande, uzamu hlanganisa skay. Ungapheli viki mfethu uthola ngeclipanyana, upheli 5 days to hlanganisa 100 rand. Doesn't make any sense. At least noba uspani zama sosincanyana ukuthi okay, even though lenje ngaspan but isishebo silala sikhona ngithola. Try that.
At least something.
Ungabe ubusy yalala uyavuka udlala ama game yalala uyavuka udlala ama game or a record.
Ama relationship amabhaya they end according to how they started. Ama relationship abhaya.
If a relationship is starting let's say you feel ngani ngenyuko ukuthi okay now you are doing this ngithola uqale nge-relationship let's say uqale ngenyuko ukuthi uyasponsorisa izoflopa because girl already she's used to ukuthi wena umhlezi umnike imali.
I always tell guys ukuthi y'all keep on blaming girls when they ask y'all for money or when they ask you. Sometimes I'm not saying all the time but in most times kusuke kuwo omjwayezile ugel umspendela unnecessary umuphi imali angayicelanga umkhiphi shopping angacelanga then maseka used to that thing ugel seka used ukuthi wena ugayo omgayayo in awusana next maseka kuyekela nomntana lo nomntana lo uthanda imali gold digger but uomjwayezile nempilo le.
That's the thing, because no uyamjwayeza yonke lento le uyamspoila wenza yonke into mongasayenzi uzobona ngathi usuyamchithela or she'll always find a better guy uzokwenza better than you. That's the thing. Yeah, into kanjalo bafethu, as we were saying, ukuthi ukuhlala endlini yemeli is not a good thing, because gcina sakudonsa ngekhala so complain emajiteni ukuthi awunakwa uyabona. That's a problem.
Then also what do you think about black tax? Let's talk about black tax.
There's no such thing as black tax. There's no such a thing as black tax. The reason being ngisho kanjalo umzali wakho mfethu, you should never complain ukuthi umzali wakho uyambhekela. If umzali wakho like umzali wakho wensana muholile uhlezi umgaya sosincane, she'll appreciate ngiyazi akutshela ukuthi nginikeza inyuke so. But wena mofile ngathi black tax ungamnikezi umama uzogcina kutshela ukuthi mfethu insona ngibhekile manje ngifuna inyuke so. What would you do? Uzofile ngathi black tax le. But mocaba ukuthi okay uholile unenyuko ma already bamba kanje ngizothi mengigrand ngibona uyakhuthala ma already uyangithola. Ma already ukuzalile ngeke aza kujikela ukuthi incosi yakhe.
Yeah, facts, yeah. Then khona nabazali laba abangekho fair.
Laba angekho fair benzwa yini? Leswe uwe mongana ngqondo. Awunangqondo, you always blow imali nabangani. What do you expect? Do you expect umzali wakho abe fair?
No, ngeke vele.
Man, I don't believe in
because I'm a decision wayenzayo.
I don't believe in black tax. I don't know a lie.
Yeah, because a lot of people
complain. Which and every now and then. Ngeke ayo umzali ayibona ireason ukuthi mela akuhlale entanyeni imali ngathi baby mama uyangithola. That's my take. I don't know on your side.
Yeah, on my side I will think khona nabazali laba abangekho fair whereby you do provide endlini, you do put food in the table whatever into umzali ayifunayo uyayenza, but then when you start to make your own decisions, that's when it becomes a problem with your own money, like investing on yourself, like saying you are buying something that you have been wanting, but that thing is useless, but you've been wanting that thing. And then now you're doing it with your own money. Imali yasendlini uprovidile uyenzeni. That's also the case as abazali abaningi they don't support amaphupho wabanye abantwana.
But I'd say, if you find your parent that she's not or he is not supportive.
Sorry to cut you. Let's touch on this thing of abazali compare nabangani bakho. You know how depressing that thing is. You are trying, bro, in life. You are trying every day. You work hard every day. You want to be at the level that abangani bakho bakuyo, but umama wakho uhlezi akureminder ngabangani bakho uthi ingakho wena abangani bakho bahlezi bayenza so, ingakho ungafana lo, ingakho ngeke kuye ndawo life.
And sometimes they don't know ukuthi sometimes abangani bethu they are funded by their parents.
Bro,
young told, listen, you are being raised by a single mother. Young told, on that time, in pinches are cause now both parents, they have both parents. The time the grand soft, young told.
Sure.
Lampegela, then already you're feeling at when I went next because I'm cheetah, upila soft.
Because also now I'm also quite will be like the reason why we here is because of your decisions.
And sometimes you end up hating on your friends because
and also it's hard to kulele Kyle toxic. Like
and another toxic shit is this thing hard. We don't talk about it. It's been on my chat. I'm told your family from your mother's side is the one that always supports you.
Yeah, facts. Like family Baba. Facts.
What's the reason?
Facts.
What's the reason?
What's
the reason? Which okay. Koma old lady bang, but over time they don't give a fuck.
Most cases is because
unless you say umama khona baba uyashadile. Yeah, but when ngashadanga it's a different story.
I think most cases your your father's side of the family doesn't support you or like you, it's because they have an issue with your mother. Most of time amafamily wabo afuna ukucontrol ukuthi bajwayele nabo bani bashada bobani. You know, noma umazweni ukuthi ugelo grand lo, but then ifamily yakhe imbona ngenye indlela. Uyamthatha no girl uyamshada. Then ifamily yakho izozonda ugelo. If you all have kids, ifamily yakhe izozonda nabantwana, they won't be supportive because they wanted to decide for you ukuthi who to marry. I think that's where it started. That's why ama family amaningi from abo baba, they are not there empilweni zabo zabashana babo or ngizothini because of banekwali ne-old lady. Asemfuni lo ini and also they do that because of maybe old lady albadonsi ngamakhala. Yabona, if you're a girl then gabo out yakho bakuthanda bayenzani, that's sometimes
that's a bonus, ne?
That's a bonus, but sometimes amanye amafamily amthanda umuntu ebamdonsa ngekhala. Like whereby now nokuthi but then I can't be the only one.
Sometimes the family, they can like your girlfriend because ukwenza ube responsible, or they can like your girlfriend because wenzani uyakwenzisa ukuthi always put your mother first, or in his told yena, which is behind closed doors. It's a good thing, but behind closed doors when someone say but you don't know that. But abazali, they don't know that. Okay, even though lo muntu nimncanya so, but it doesn't behind closed doors.
But also abazali sometimes most of the time they are right about our girlfriends.
They can see from
you find out after I already will leave. So sometimes like they do get it right, not all the time, but most of the time they do get it right. It's okay, because with me I know my parents are supportive. They say, okay, whoever loves you, not to say I'm tired. As long as she makes you happy, because we want to see you happy.
But let's say now what if she's buying her way in kutathandwe abazali bakho,
then
what she does makahola, she's always providing for iole lakho. Uyangithola, umnikeza imali thola iole lakho sencanya ini ukuthi wenza sona, so she's buying. Focus kuye kanti ingqondo fucked up. Uyangithola, that's another thing. And another thing,
it's bad.
Another thing that has been on my chat maybe before we go, amahloni mfethu. Amahloni is very important to have amahloni mfethu.
Okay,
it's very important ukuthi
amahloni somehow are right, but somehow amahloni awekho right. I know amajida, they are too scared to try because banamahloni abantu bazothini. They are too you'd find a guy so good in a podcast or good in music, but akafuni ngenza because abantu bazothini. So amahloni sometimes are right, sometimes awekho right. Most of the time I block.
Sometimes they block your blessings.
They block your blessings because you don't want to try. You like what if? You want what if? Abo yanga. Ingoma ka yanga. Abo
what if? So guess what yanga. What if?
Abo what if? What if yo? What if ini? What if ini? Do it.
Just do it. Nike. After that, what we can say amahloni. Sometimes amahloni is very important to be amahloni.
Stima.
Because unestima ngapha. You are not shameless. You end up when you've been doing some fucked up shit. So for by only fan, not knowing what go to the Tumaza Bazal Bar, shooter icon and tall. Or cheetah when you always Kambalaza good on a mashloon. Young tall. There's a bad thing about Amashloon.
Let us know what you think on Mashloon. But as he said, I write sometimes I work right on Mashloon. That's it. We can close it for today. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, do the most. Until the next one. As we said, guys, we're dropping 2 episodes. One about life issues, another one about entertainment industry. And please engage. I'll go by the name The Real Mats, and I'm with
Fisto Lazy Guy. One more ngazongas or ngezwa ngendaba lo follow wa shy elephant ngejury our 1 hour. Film show wa ihleka for 1 hour. Tango,
thank you.
I
hope I
Simnande. Javan.